So, namaste everyone. My name is Yoshita, and if you want to practice a bakasana like this and still don't know from where to start, let me help you with some strengthening practices. So, the first one, you have to come in a malasana position and just stretch your knees out. This will help to create some space for your pelvic joints. For one, two, three, keep moving your knees out. Four, and 5. Now you have to understand the body weight that you have to slowly lean forward and then come back. Lean forward and then come back. For 1, very good. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. Now we'll do something to strengthen the wrist so that it can hold the body weight. You have to slowly place your palms down, lift your legs straight up, and then you have to lean towards your wrist and stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a relax, come back, inhale and exhale. We'll do this one more time. Place your palms down, inhale, lift your heels up and lean towards your wrist. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center. So now for the next one, we need to learn how to engage the core. You will come in a tabletop position and slowly you have to hunch your back so that you can engage the core. Lift your knees up and lean towards your wrist. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back to the center. And then we will do some wrist rotations to warm up the wrist. You just have to rotate for 1, 2, and 3. Reverse for 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Now we'll go for the last one. To try and bend the elbows and to strengthen the shoulders, we try to come in a chaturanga push-ups but with the knees bended. So you have to place your palms in the front, slowly bend your knees, hunch your back and try to do the chaturanga push-ups. For 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And slowly come back to the center. Okay, so now we are ready to start the practice. You have to slowly come in a malasana in front of you, and for the beginning you have to keep your knees over your elbow. So like this, you have to try and just do like this, leaning forward, coming back. Again, 1, be careful, do not fall forward. 2, this will help your body to understand the position. 3, 4, and 5. Now try to stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now try to lift your right leg up and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch the leg to the left and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come back to Malasana. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Okay, so now we will try to lift both the ankles up. Remember, if you are scared, you can always put one pillow in front of you so that you will not hit your head on the floor. Okay, so you have to slowly place your palms down, keep your knees over your elbow joints, and slowly one by one try to balance. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming back to the center. Now if you feel scared or you cannot lift your head up, you can always drop your head down, maybe on a pillow or on the floor. So you have to come in the same position. First, drop your head down and then lift your legs and stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then come back to the center. Now, once you start feeling comfortable in this position, you try to go for the next one. So you have to place your palms in the front, straighten up your legs, and then you have to keep your knees over the triceps like this and gently lean forward, and one by one try to lift your legs up and stay there for 5. Engage the core. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And come back to the center. Okay, so this was it for the strengthening drills. You can always increase the intensity by increase the timing of your holding. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Namaste.